Hey, what's up, SafeMars holders? So I'm sorry for late video, but today, my friend, in this video I will tell you, my brothers, to SafeMars is good for investment, and this June month, my brother, or not. And we predicate this going to what's the price, my friends. Tomorrow they will give you a profit or not. Let's see, my brother. Kindly, before I get started this video, I request you to kindly subscribe this channel, press the bell icon for videos notification, and don't forget to like this video. Click the thumbs button. Please like this video, my brother. So you can see, my brother, a SafeMars, one of the fastest coin, fails down in the last 24 hours. You can see here the last 20 chart is on the screen, and completely this coin is fails down hour by hour, minute by minute. So what's the main reason? The reason is that to short-term investor, they are starting selling, so absolutely this coin is fails down. But I tell you, my brother, I just tell you, I share my opinion to please, this is not a selling time, short-term investor, because crypto market is very badly fails down, and for holders starting fails down. So it's mean, my brother, to every coin is in loss down, and everyone is in the loss, my brother. So therefore I tell you, to if you hold it, then definitely they will give you a profit. So I just share my opinion, my brothers, to hold it, don't sell it. This is not a financial video, and remember, to at the end of month they will give you very good profit now. So it's mean, my brothers, to this coin is in the profit at the end of month. So if they will give you a good profit now, so why you are selling? You need to hold it and wait for a good time, because they will make you millionaire now. So SafeMars, congratulations all holder to the giveaway of SafeMars is also coming soon. You need to just only participate here. Just subscribe this channel, press the bell icon for videos notification. I make special video for all of you, and I will explain you, my friend, again. But in this video I just announcement now, my brother. So like this video, subscribe this channel, and press the bell icon for videos notification.